Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be doing BECE 2019 Basic Science Past Question, Question 14. BECE 2019 Basic Science Past Question, Question 14. Which of the following is an economic importance of a forest? Which of the following is an economic importance of a forest? A. Breaking water cycle. B. Logging. C. Firewood. And D. Flooding. Now we need to understand what they asked us to find. They say the economic importance. Now that's the importance of what forest to our economy. The economic importance of a forest. Now A says breaking of water cycle. This does not affect our economy at all. At all, it doesn't affect our economy. Breaking of water cycle does not affect economy. Economy doesn't affect economy. Now logging, what does logging means? Logging simply means what? Falling trees or cutting down trees for the purpose of what? For purpose of what? Making chairs, tables, and all that wooden wooden materials or other wooden equipment. So logging simply means what? The cutting down of trees, and definitely for you to get these trees, you get them in the forest. And you know, when you cut down these trees now and you process them into chairs, tables, and doors and various wooden equipment, they are being sold, and this will generate income. So it affects what? It affects the economy. Firewood, on the other hand, is just the burning of wood, using wood as firewood. You cut down trees and then you convert them to firewood. It doesn't affect the economy or have any importance on the economy. And D, flooding. Flooding also has no importance on the economy. So from this you see that our answer is what? Is B. Our answer is B, which is logging. So logging is our answer, B. Thank you very much. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. God bless you.